If you're looking to disable voicemail on your iPhone, there are a few methods you can try. Whether you want to stop calls from being redirected or completely turn off voicemail, I'll walk you through the steps to do it easily. First, open the phone app. Then tap on the keypad tab. Now enter a specific code that deactivates voicemail. The code you'll have to enter is ##02#. After entering the code, press the call button. This code stops all call forwarding, which includes forwarding to your voicemail. Once you do this, you should see a confirmation message on your screen letting you know that call forwarding has been disabled. If the first method doesn't work, you can try disabling call forwarding manually. For that, you need to open Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From here, navigate to Phone. Then tap on Call Forwarding. And make sure it's turned off. This prevents incoming calls from being automatically sent to your voicemail when you don't answer. However, keep in mind that not all carriers allow you to manage call forwarding from the Settings app, so this option may not be available on every iPhone. If voicemail is still active even after trying these methods, you may need to contact your service provider. Some carriers don't allow voicemail to be fully turned off from the iPhone itself, so you'll need to call their customer support and request voicemail deactivation. You can usually find your carrier's customer service number on their website or in your billing details. If your carrier won't disable voicemail, you can try setting up conditional call forwarding instead. This means redirecting calls to another number instead of voicemail. Some people use this trick by forwarding calls to an invalid or disconnected number so that voicemail never picks up. And that's it. Those are the main ways to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.